Can you save an undercooked cake?
Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into a common kitchen conundrum. What happens if you undercook a cake? Can you just pop it back in the oven and make it okay to eat? Let's find out.
What happens when a cake is undercooked?
When a cake is undercooked, it means that the center hasn't had enough time to set and might still be raw. Raw cake batter, especially those containing eggs, can pose a risk of foodborne illnesses like salmonella. Besides the health risk, an undercooked cake also tends to be mushy, sticky, or wet in the middle, leading to an unpleasant texture and taste.
Can you rebake an undercooked cake?
Yes, you can. If you've realized that your cake is undercooked, there's no need to throw it away. You can pop it back into the oven. However, it's essential to do this as soon as you realize it's undercooked. Waiting too long might result in a cake that's dry on the outside and undercooked in the middle. Here's what you can do. 1. Preheat the oven to the same temperature you baked the cake initially. 2. Place the cake back in the oven. 3. Monitor closely to avoid overbaking. Check every 5 minutes until it's done. A skewer or toothpick should come out clean, or with a few crumbs attached, when inserted into the center.
Will the cake's texture and taste be affected?
Rebaking can save your cake from being inedible, but the texture might be slightly different than if it had been baked correctly the first time. The edges might become a bit drier or more crispy. However, the middle should firm up and taste as it should. It's better to have a slightly altered texture than a raw cake. Accidentally undercooking a cake can be a downer, but don't worry. It's possible to rescue it by rebaking. Remember to act quickly and keep a close eye on it the second time around. Happy baking, and here's to fewer kitchen mishaps in the future.